So Kazmira is in the business of THC removal. That's our, premier product. It's called Imperial Oil. It's a standard oil that we produce with a minimum of 80% CBD purity, and we call it THC-Free. And what we mean when we say that is THC is at a non-detectable level, so non-detectable by analytical instruments. And where this becomes important is in the finished good, and we always have to think about what happens in the finished product. Now, in Colorado, I'm specifically speaking for the state of Colorado, we have a legal limit of 0.3% of THC in the finished good. And a lot of marketing companies have chosen to call that as THC-free and not compliant level of THC. There's a big difference with that. And what you'll find is, and I'm sure Jake can speak to this as well, in finished products that contain 0.3% THC, if you add up the amount of THC in that finished product, it could be a 60 ml tincture, so 2-ounce tincture, there is actually quite a lot of THC, upwards of 30 or 40 milligrams per finished product. And what we see is when folks are not following the instructions on those finished products that take a certain amount of servings per day, you could actually be intaking a lot more THC than you would even be thinking about. And at that point, maybe you might as well have taken a marijuana product, but it was actually derived from hemp. Yeah. So this is where THC-free or non-detectable THC is really important when you're very serious about making a finished good that is going to contain no traces of THC.